All right. You guys ready to go see the Preself tent? Oh wait, let me grab my push broom. All right. I know the flash is still on and it's still snowing. I think it might have rained for a little while. Remy, no. All right, guys. Oh no, where's the rest of the tent? It collapsed. Let's see if we can clean this off and get it to spring back up. All right, so here's like the vestibule. You can see the, oh wow, that's bent. That pipe is bent. That's not good. That's not good. Let's get some weight off of this. This really sucks because I really wanted to use this tent this winter. I wasn't expecting it to go down with the little bit of rain or with the little bit of snow that we just got. Must have been heavy. I mean, I can tell it's heavy. I don't feel any rain though, so it was just snow. Come on. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Oh, guys. Moral of the story is, don't have this in snow. Don't have this in a snowstorm. I guess that's the moral of the story. See you guys next week. Thanks for watching. That's about it. See ya. Oh wait, the vestibule. Ooh. The vestibule's. All right, she's back to the shape of a tent. See you guys later.